Alright, so welcome back to another video in Alexa Notes. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create your own Earth Minecraft server. So let's get started. So the first step will be to actually find the Earth map. So I'll be linking this website in the description, or you can even find it on a simple Google search. So pretty much what I'll be doing is I'll be going to the legacy maps because they're the smallest right now, and so I'll just be going through the small size map here, which is 1:4000 ratio. So I'm just going to pick one on the top here. So just make sure you just go to the add link, and once you're through the media file link, you can just download the file and then you can upload it on your Minecraft server. You can just go through the settings page, and you can also launch the SFTP launcher, and it's going to give you a whole menu where through which you could upload the earth file, which I just did it here. So I can just go ahead and unarchive the file as well. So this is how you unarchive a file, and once that's done, you'll get a file name called earth, which is here as you can see. So the next step would be to go to server.properties and look for the term called level, and just scroll down till you find the term called level name, and it's initially named as world, but you have to change it to earth. So I would recommend you change it to earth rather than renaming the world file to world, so that you know that it's actually earth file. And now you can go ahead and start the server. So let's go to the next step. So the next step would be to download Dynmap. So you can pretty much just look for the plugin Dynmap. So we just go here on the Spigot page and download it off here. Do know that you need an extra port for Dynmap. Once you have downloaded it, you can go to the plugins folder and upload the file here, and make sure you have an extra port over here. So I actually have an extra port here, which is 8194, so I'll be focusing on that. So now here, as you can see, the Dynmap is loading fine, so you can just type pl and it's going to show up here. So the next step would be to go to the configuration file here, and there's actually a setting here that I've actually meddled with a few times. Maybe if you have a budget CPU, you could maybe like reduce to something like v low res. So that means very low res. So you could do that as well, and then you can go for the port. I think the keyword is web server, something like that. Yep. So you can just edit the port here and save it, and just restart the server. And that's pretty much it on the Dynmap side. Now we just need to download WorldBorder. Okay, so the next step would be to download WorldBorder before I actually show you the Dynmap. So let me just go ahead and download it from here. Once I'm done uploading it, I can go ahead and restart the server. This is the first map which I actually downloaded. So you can just go to the corner over here and you'll see the coordinates. Okay, yeah, it's set corners. Sorry, it's set corners. And once that's done, you can actually go to the Dynmap here. And once it's reloaded, you can see the world borders here. Yep, as you can see, the world borders have appeared over here. So that's pretty much it. Now you need to render the map. So to render the map, you just need to type Dynmap full render earth. So that's pretty much how you start the render. Okay, and now the next step would be to use suitable plugins that might help you with managing the earth server. So I would look into plugins such as Turney Advanced. So it's actually a very advanced nation system where you can actually create nations and towns. So I would suggest you look through it once, because it's actually a fun plugin to use on a earth server rather than a factions plugin. And to support it, I would use something like Hellconomy. It might look outdated, but it actually works fine. This actually supports Towny. And I would also say have a look at Essentials X. Pretty great plugin actually. It's like a go-to plugin for Essentials for any Minecraft server, so you must have it. And there's also a voting plugin which you might want to go into. Just look into this once, and you will need an extra setup for this. Pretty much with this, you can actually make players vote for your Minecraft server, and that kind of just bumps your Minecraft server on the voting list, and that is something I would encourage you to do if you have a big player list. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to start your own earth server. If you have enjoyed the tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more similar content. See ya.